The future belongs to young people, and Pakistan's youth are ready to lead it. With over 67% of the population under the age of 30, Pakistan is home to one of the world's youngest generations, driven by ambition and ready to shape the future of our nation. But potential alone is not enough.
Today, countless young Pakistanis stand at the crossroads of ambition and opportunity, waiting for a chance to prove what they're capable of.
A number that reflects both a challenge and an opportunity. The vision is not simply to create more jobs, but to promote productive employment, enabling young people to contribute meaningfully, earn sustainably, and build rewarding careers. That's where the National Youth Employment Policy 2026 comes in. The National Youth Employment Policy 2026 is turning this potential into opportunity. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and developed under the Task Force on Youth Employment, the National Youth Employment Policy 2026 opens new pathways to employment, entrepreneurship, and economic opportunity for Pakistan's youth. Bringing together government, industry, academia, and civil society, it adopts a whole-of-government approach to create opportunities at scale and prepare young people for the jobs of tomorrow. Focused on education, skills, employability, civic engagement, and sustainability. Millions of young Pakistanis each year through vocational training, skill development programs, and internships, bridging the gap between learning and meaningful careers. At the heart of the NYEP 2026 lies innovation. The Prime Minister's Digital Youth Hub, an AI-powered platform, connects youth with career counseling, job listings, scholarships, and personalized training pathways, making opportunity accessible nationwide. Through initiatives like the PM Youth Laptop Scheme, interest-free loans, and the Youth Business and Agriculture Loan Scheme, the policy nurtures entrepreneurship, digital freelancing, and small-scale enterprise. A dedicated National Coordination Committee on Youth Employment will ensure sustained progress by overseeing action plans, monitor progress, and ensure collaboration across all levels of government. From IT and e-commerce to agriculture, health, tourism, construction, and manufacturing, NYEP 2026 lays the foundation for youth-driven growth in every sector. Together, let's move forward to make youth employment a shared national mission. Because when youth rise, Pakistan rises.